Welcome to my channel. This is a tutorial series of Solidworks. So I saw this shape on LinkedIn, so I decided to draw it and show you how to draw you by yourself. So going to the new file. Okay, so selecting any plan and drawing basic sketch. Okay. By drawing a sketch, we will leave some space toward origin for the twist. So I have decided this one. I can make it 50. You can give any dimensions. It's your make this and this horizontal. And also define the distance between these two. And let's make it 50. So the remaining 25 will be meant for the twist. This place is remained for the twist. Okay. Sketch is now fully defined. Going to back to feature. The feature we selected extrude was selected mid plane. Select mid plane. Next time you can give any dimensions, anything you want. Okay. Okay, now we have this one to the other side. For this, we will select the perpendicular plane to this one. So the top plane will be perpendicular to this one. So drawing the sketch is getting this part. The same dimension given as we have given in the previous. You can give any type of dimensions. Sorry, and the distance between these two are 50. This is just generic dimensions. So that's what I think. Thing I can do is make it vertical. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined. Okay, extruding this. Selecting any one of them as per your requirements. I select my plan for the ease. Okay, now we have done with this part. Now the twist part. The twist part for which we will select the lot and we'll select these two surfaces facing each other. This one and this one. We see the twist is not a curve type, so we will define a constraint. So going toward constraint. So the start constraint will be curvature. You can define the radius or whatever you want, and the end curvature to base, which also will be curvature. We see this That's now curve type twist. Hit OK. The other things you can do, these things you can do easily. So I'm not going to detail the twist or whatever you do. It will elongate the video, but the concept is same. So it was the twist, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and please visit us for more videos. Thank you.